So, hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we've relocated to a safe house because people were destroying our food. As you can see, it's very secure. And today we're going to be reviewing a Junior Creamie. These get...
Creamie Junior.
No, it says Junior Creamies on the packaging, you idiot. Okay. These get sold at our school. Well, they aren't sold. They're just put in the lunches quite often at our school. Mostly the hamburgers and pizza. I don't find that healthy. I'll just keep them. You don't just leave it. Okay. We're gonna give this a nice big bite.
Don't bite it. Please don't. Okay, those.
It hurts my teeth when I bite it. That's why I'm biting it. Nice cold. It's a nice blend of hard and soft. I have to say that. I have like a really sore throat, so like it's really helping me right now. I would recommend biting it. It hurts your teeth. Sucking on it's fine though. Like just biting off like a little chunk and then just sucking on it for all the flavor. Coda! Oh.
Do it.
I've seen kids put this in ranch and then eat it. I find those kids worthless and disgusting and deserve to be executed. But I ain't judging. It's like when you bite into it, it's soft. Like it's like the icy middle. It's a little bit, like it's perfectly hard. Like it has the right amount of tension that it feels great. This tastes really good. Shame I'm probably gonna get health issues from eating this because it's like 95% chocolate, 5% dairy.
Holy shit, your hands are huge.
My what?
Hands.
They're not hands, they're meat bags.
Okay. Your meat bags.
Looks like feces. It's a good snack to eat when you're contemplating life. How did that drop get down there? Oh my gosh, it's trailing everywhere. It's nasty. I have to admit, these creamies can get pretty messy.
Hit your teeth.
What?
Hit your teeth.
What do you mean it hit my teeth?
The creamy.
I bit it, so of course it hit my teeth, you idiot.
Dumbass.
You absolute imbecile.
Chill. Chill. Be chill, like the creamy. Chill.
Horrible promotion. Health-wise, it's horrible, but business-wise, it's okay.
How about taste-wise?
Taste-wise, pretty good. It's nice. It feels like a rich chocolate. That's cool. I'm kind of into cold food. Like I enjoy cold pizza or like room temperature pizza. I mean, sometimes a little bit more, but we'll do that for another review. We'll review pizza. I'm trying to...
Okay, kids, now remember, it's never okay to litter, so you always put your trash in the trash can.
And always obey your parents.